As if things couldn't get any more worse for public relations for big business, you're not going to believe the next example of the subscription based business model going against your pocket. We're going to talk about it right here, right now on the Ujamaa Network. I was geared up just to talk about this debacle with Sony, with its decision to not only stop the production of optical disc and no more support, but an increase in the subscription price for the games that you're still going to have to pay full price for, but subscribe to use it. This is an insane money grab and victimization of the customers that built the company. And if that wasn't bad enough, let's talk about the new business model for cars, as they are now charging you monthly subscriptions to keep your behinds warm with heated seats. What's next? A subscription to make sure that your check engine light goes on? This has got to stop. And unfortunately, we live in a country right now where nothing is getting passed. Even if people got together and do what I'm suggesting we're doing today, creating a petition, get an elected official to possibly bring some action before Congress. But knowing Congress, it's going to be shut down before it gets anywhere close to going to the floor, because the only thing they're interested in is fighting amongst themselves. Meanwhile, the American consumer is being fleeced, and there doesn't seem to be any willpower to stop this obvious money grab. This should be illegal on so many levels. You do not take technology that was already created only to try to run it back to drive up another revenue stream for things that the vehicle is already ready or the product is already built to do. This is absolutely insane. So I went ahead and took the time out to create a change.org petition, and I want each and every person that's available to see this video to sign it. Whether or not Congress actually takes it up, actually is back in session to do something, we have to start holding our elected officials accountable for the abuses that we are going to be seeing going forward. Companies like Sony, in their decision to not only increase the price of the games, but decrease your ability to actually own them. You'll no longer have physical discs. This is no different than what the automobile industry is doing when it comes to creature comforts like heated seats. You built the car with the ability to warm your buns on cold days, but you're going to put it behind a paywall. And this is something separate from like a full self-driving feature. You don't have to have that. It would be nice, but the fact that we are still talking about paying for vehicle features that once the vehicle ages out, you are locked in to continually paying a revenue stream for a vehicle that is no longer worth what it was when you purchased it. This is just an all-out fleece and an attack on ownership for every American. They don't want you to own anything. Companies like Toyota, Ford, GM, of course Tesla, but there has to be some limit, some equilibrium where these companies, once they get your money for the vehicle that they are building, they don't keep coming back for more, as if this is an inexhaustible resource. Your wallet is your personal belonging, not the property of the companies that just wants to take monthly bites out of you, in addition to the cost of the ownership of the vehicle itself.